Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this happened actually 24 hours ago, or this time yesterday. Can you guys see it? I don't think you can. I don't think it's picking up the scratch on my phone. Alright you guys, so you see that? Do you guys see that on my phone? This literally happened this time yesterday, and now I'm going to finally go and upgrade my phone. So if you guys don't know, I actually have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and yes, it's the S9 Plus. It's the purple model, and I've had her pretty much since undergrad at this point. So yeah, it is time to replace her, get a new one. And the scratch didn't look that bad at first, but like when you guys hold it up to the light, you guys see it's like a spider web on my phone now. It's pretty bad. So yeah, we're going to replace this phone, and I'm actually going back to iPhone. So